Hi, welcome to this video. How to monetize Instagram. Monetizing Instagram involves switching to a professional account to access tools for brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, selling products via Instagram, shopping, and earning directly through subscriptions or real bonuses. So if you want to know how to switch, hit your profile icon at the bottom right, at the three bars at the top right, and search for account type and tools. And you can see right here, I already switched my account to a professional account. But in your case, if it's a personal account, just switch it to a professional account and then just exactly what niche. Are you entertainer, digital creator, whatever? Then afterwards, you gotta just go ahead to the professional dashboard to, subscribe to or get monetization if you reach a certain followers, right? And from here you can get partnership ads, affiliate marketing, selling products via Instagram shopping, and earning directly through subscriptions or real bonuses. Success requires consistent, engaging content, a defined niche, and a loyal audience to attract brands. So, sponsored posts and brand partnerships, you can partner with brands to promote products, a major revenue source, often accessible even with smaller engaged audiences. You can use specialized platforms like Share, A Sale, or Reward Style to earn commissions on sales made through your unique links or discount codes. You can utilize Instagram shopping to sell physical products directly or promote digital products like ebooks, templates, and courses. And you can utilize Instagram's native tools such as subscriptions for exclusive content, badges for live videos, and gifts on Reels. And you can sign up for platforms like Aspire IQ, or Hype Auditor to connect with brands seeking partnerships. So basically, that's it. You need high engagement rates, often matter to brands than follower count. Generally requires being 18 plus and following partner monetization policies. Some features may require a certain follower threshold, like 10,000 for some live features. Consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.